Hello guys and gals, welcome to my channel. In this episode I'll be gluing the inner window frames to the inside of the gable. I will also put some details on the other side, which is facing downward at this moment. At the downside you will find the purple color. At the inside we have this cream color. And I'm going to glue the window frames. I use the Patex 100% glue here. It is nothing special and you can use any other glue. As putting glue on a frame and fixing it to the gable is not very interesting or thrilling, I will speed up the video a bit. I will zoom you in. And I must say I'm pleased with the result. I'm happy. I let it dry for an hour or so and then the inside of the front facade is ready. So I turned over the facade, the front facade, and I am gluing in the external window sills. In real life, apart from ornamental function, they also protect the bricks in the facade from the rain and the water that's coming from above. The bricks in the facade can easily absorb water, and that is a problem when it's freezing because it will burst and it will also be prone to all kinds of mold, all sorts of organisms that are bad for our health. Of course, the things you see here are purely ornamental. These are the spots where the water containers will come. They collect the rainwater from the roof and they will put it into a long water pipe downwards. Here I'm putting on the ornaments of the gable and unfortunately it's a bit out of the frame of the film. I'm sorry for that. So I took my smartphone to make some close-ups. I must say I'm happy with the results. I have to touch up the paint, of course, but it's not bad at all. There are some little corrections I have to make, but that are details. Famous last words. So I have to put in the doors, the front doors, of course. That is still on the to-do list. So it's time to glue in the front doors. First I will make the top window fit, which is behind the hunting scene with the deer. I will speed it up a bit. So it's glued in now, and I put some weight on it to keep it in place. So the most parts of the front doors are glued in now and dried up. And I must say I'm pleased with the result. Of course I have to touch up some paint and make a few corrections, but generally speaking I'm glad. I'm happy.